Hello guys, in this video we continue working in our garden. As you can see guys, I will show you. Yeah, we put extra soil there. Today the big truck come with a huge a lot of soil. We put in there. That is our project this year 2021 in our garden, and we plant tree like that later on after we put extra soil there to get new Bermuda
Grassland.
had a grass plan. You can see a lot to do here. Stay tuned guys, and thank you for support to my Rosa Johansen channel. This is one exercise as well, one of my cardio and exercise. Today guys is our sunny day. While ago is our foggy. Now is coming sun, and thank you, so we can continue work here. Stay tuned. And now I am getting ready of our tent before the big truck coming. It's very big, huge tent we have. So the stone, it will not be damaged when the soil come. And now, here is the big car we're waiting for. This is, the soil is 11 cubic. Big car. Big car. There. Huge, huge, huge. A lot of soil. Eee. Work, work, work. This soil 11 cubic. So we working these 3 days, I guess. Guys, I love all huge of soil. Wow. Yeah, this is a very good exercise. Come in. Oh, dito ka, bro. Yan, exercise dito ka. Uy. Yeah, balance. Wow.
Ikidar.
Ito rin na may relasyon. Sen, stop pa. Ada kan handrak ya? Ya, kom naar binnen. Yeah. Uy. It's enough. Yeah. This is very good exercise. And here we have halfway to go. And guys, wow! Sunny day is coming. Guys, today is a nice weather. It's not too hot and it's not rain as well. It's a temperature for today is nice, perfect for working here outside in the garden. And you can see, guys, we have already worked halfway. The soil is half already, and here strength cardio is important when you work in the garden to smooth all the muscle. Yes, up, down, up, down. Yay! As you can see, guys, we work already 30% of soil. Ayan, kalahati na lang, 30% maybe.